Hey guys, so welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. We are currently at the circus. So of course we're going to carry you along the journey of the circus, like show you as much as possible. So in this video, I'll just be showing you the highlights for the circus for me. I don't want to ruin the experience for anybody that has not yet been to the circus. So I literally only picked the ones that really stood out to me. If you do have children, it is definitely a good idea to take them to the circus because it was good. But with children, I would give the overall rating for the circus like a 7 out of 10. The highlights really were the highlights, and the other acts, to me, in my personal opinion, they were just the fillers. So, another thing, you don't have to get the preferred seats, you don't have to get VIP. However, if you do want to go on the stage, then those are the seats to get. I got general seats and that was my view. It was absolutely perfect. So enjoy my circus highlights. that's the end of my Suarez Brothers Circus highlight. Thank you guys for tuning in for another night of Vlogmas. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Hosanna, 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 we make a chain breaker with you, got me safer. Hosanna, Hosanna, Hosanna.